Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Meta. We initially published a report on our website on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To ensure you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Stay in the loop with our latest analysis. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Visit StockInvest.us and tap into the power of AI. Get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.12. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Meta has shown a gain of 7.28%. This means it has delivered an average daily return of 0.81% since being classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $356.71, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 11.89% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -0.798% to 13.92%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 110.04% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 113.78% to 146.85%. This translates to a price range of $748.99 to $864.87 after a year. Our latest daily update for Meta brings an exciting headline. Meta stock price ended at $350.36 on Tuesday after gaining 1.67%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, December 19, 2023, the Meta stock price increased by 1.67%, going from $344.62 to $350.36. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor setback in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $345.13 and a high of $353.60, showing a 2.45% variation. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 7 instances and has gained a total of 10.08% in the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 694,000, with a total of 18 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.19 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $353.60, while the lowest was $112.46. Currently, the stock price is 0.92% lower than the 52-week high, which equates to a difference of $3.24. Furthermore, it is 8.84% lower than the all-time high, which was achieved on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Today, we will be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Meta. B. Riley Securities recently gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. Additionally, Wedbush rated Meta as outperform with a hold action. Wells Fargo has given Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. Moving back to October 26, Goldman Sachs rated Meta as a buy with a hold action. KeyBank also provided a positive rating for Meta, with an overweight grade and a hold action. According to analysts, the Meta stock has been given a general rating of buy. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, while the price to book is also rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Meta, a stock that you should keep an eye on. The Meta stock currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock will find support from the lines at $336.76 and $328.48. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 10.37% increase in the stock. This indicates the possibility of further rise until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning, so it's important to closely monitor the stock. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could potentially impact the stock's short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's indicating a sell signal. Pivots, it showed a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, it gave a buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, it's showing a buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, it also indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it signaled a buy 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, here's what we find. Short moving average, it gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, it showed a buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it indicated a buy signal 231 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for the stock Meta. Let's start with the downside. The stock has some support levels just below today's level. The first support level is at $299.53, followed by another at $297.74. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta has another support level at $299.53, and if that is broken, then the next support levels are at $297.74 and $288.35. Meta is typically traded at a good volume, and its daily changes are usually minor, which indicates a lower risk. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $8.47, 2.45%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average volatility of 2.26% per day. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for Meta, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Meta has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings stand at $4.75. It is crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Welcome, today we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Meta. Let's start with the positive side. Meta currently doesn't face any significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could potentially move upward swiftly. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume as it can give you cues on when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $299.53. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. The average rating for Meta, as determined by multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now let's delve into some recent insider trades. In the most recent insider trades, Zuckerberg Mark stands out, having both bought and sold 9,070 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a negative insider power ratio of -70.059. Overall, insiders have purchased 28,700 shares and sold 166,168 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $339.08, which represents a decrease of 3.22%. This particular stock has low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk for investors. We've identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 9 days ago, further indicating a potential opportunity. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta stock shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, December 20th, we expect Meta stock to open with a decrease of $0.663 and begin trading at $349.70. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Please be aware that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make informed investment decisions, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. At StockInvest.us, we provide valuable information to assist you in your investment journey. However, it's crucial to note that our content should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices and outcomes. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest, where we provide you with valuable insights into the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your opinion in the comments below. We'd also love to know your target for this stock. If you find our content helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative updates. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.